Yes guys, today we have a Thar where we have done the basic modification for a basic Thar. Let me show you what we have done in this Thar. If you come to the front profile, we have changed the grill to Angry Bird. Looks aesthetic. We have given a black color grill so that it is going to match with the car as well, and it looks beautiful with the lights as well. We have also changed the headlight, as the quality of the headlight in any Thar doesn't come with good quality and good throw. We have gone with IG Global headlights, which comes with dual projector, one for the low beam and other for the high beam, and it is going to come with an 1 year warranty as well. The customer did want to go with a fog light projector. He in turn asked us to change the bulb in the projector, so we have gone with RS tricolor fog lamp on the bottom so that the customer can use it for all three varieties of white, mild white, as well as yellow whenever he requires for the same. If you come to the sides, we have gone with the Thar badging on the mirror to give an elegant look as well as looks beautiful at night. We have gone with the Proman hinges as usual, a good quality for the look as well, can be used for stepping on this to clean the car as well. Coming to the back side, we have gone with the Z smoky tail lamp and also matched with the reflector so that it looks elegant when you are going to brake the car as well. Coming to the inside, what we have gone is the 5-piece UFO light from Proman, but we have used only the 4-piece to give an elegant look. We have given a separate switch to on it when it is required. We have also gone with the complete ambient light of the Thar inside to give a elegant look when you are going to actually drive at night. Comes with 14 pieces with the Thar badging on the sides. Can be operated through an app, so it will be helpful for the customers to on it and on off when it is not required. We have also gone with the armrest. We have gone with the armrest on the backside to give a comfortability for the customer who is going to sit at the backside. We have also given a 7D mat from Prevento to give an elegant look, also for protection from dirt as well. All in all, this car we have modified lot of basic things which any Thar lover is looking for. If you are looking for this kind of an accessories, come visit RS CAR Modifiers and get it modified.